Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and you know how it is when you have kids. When they are ready to get going and play, they are ready now. As you can see, they're about 3 foot by 2 foot, which means they're nice and portable. So whether you're setting up in the backyard, the park, or the beach, they are always ready to go with you. They have two fiberglass rods that you can stick into the sides to help with the stability, and they even come with anchors and a nice traveling case. And the small size is great, not just for travel, but it also means you don't really have to have a goalie. So if you only have two kids that want to play, or just one, then you're doing great. These have held up really well for me. We've left them set up in the backyard for about a month, and we've had storms, we've had rain, and we've had no issues at all with the durability of these. I love that they're easy to fold up and tear down when you're ready to go, and even easier to set up. My kids have been outside running around and playing more since we got these, and they have been a great addition to our backyard games. And that's just my point of view.